So hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to mark, read all your Gmails at once in your Google Gmail app. So let's start the video, but before starting the video don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. So let's begin the video without any further ado. So first of all, go to your phone's Gmail app, then long press any of the mail. Here you can see the option select all. Click on the select all option, and on the top here you can see an sign of a mail that is like open. Just click on that option. After clicking on the option, here you can see 50 marked as read. All the 50 emails in my Gmail app are marked as read all at once. So that's all for today's video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more informative videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon too. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.